Welcome. In this lecture, we study here what is second order linear differential equation. So this is paper 4. So what is unit 1? So in unit 1, so there are three parts of the differential equation: second order differential equation, total differential equation, and simultaneous differential equation. So now we study so that is chapter 1 is a second order linear differential equation. So what is the definition of second order differential equation? Definition: an equation of the form d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r, where PQR are functions of x are constants, is called second order linear differential equation. So this is a second order linear differential equation where P, Q, R are the functions of x are constant here. Okay. So this is second order. So how to solve this differential equation? So there are three methods of solving the second order differential equation. So there are three methods of solving. Okay. So what is the first method? So method 1 is solution when one integral is known. Solution when one integral is known. What is the second method of solution? So that is the second method is solution by change of dependent variable. Solution by change of dependent variable, or simply it is called dependent variable, or removable of first derivative. What is the third method? Solution by changing independent variable. Solution by changing independent variable. So there are three methods of solving second order differential equation. So d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. So first method is solution when one integral is known. Second, by changing dependent variable, simply it is called a removable of first derivative. Remove the first derivative. And third method is solution by changing the independent variable. Okay. So what is y is a dependent variable and x is an independent variable. So solution by change dependent variable means substitute y something and change that variable and solve it and remove the first derivative. And what is the third method? So solution by changing independent variable. X is the independent variable. So change independent variable x with a particular substitution and obtain the solution. So these are the three methods of solving the second order differential equation. So now how to solve the differential equation when one integral is known? Let us consider the differential equation. Okay. So method of solving. So first method 1. Okay. So let us consider, let d2y by, we consider here the differential equation d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r, where p, q, r are functions of x, only are constant. Okay, so this is a differential equation. We say this equation is number 1. Okay, so let y is equal to u, where u is a function of x, where u is a function of x, which is obtained by using the complementary function. So that is taking auxiliary equation and then obtain complementary function, and by complementary function is this solution y is equal to u here. Okay, so be a known solution. So y is equal to u, be a known solution. Known solution. Okay, be a known solution. So of the complementary function CF of the equation number 1. Okay, so how to obtain y is equal to u here? So that is by taking the auxiliary equation of the second order differential equation and find the complementary function. So that is y is equal to u here. Okay, so let d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to 0 here. So we take a 0 right hand side and then obtain complementary function. Okay, then obtain y is equal to u. Then obtain y is equal to u. From this equation we obtain y is equal to u. If this is the solution of this differential equation, then that solution satisfies that equation. So very simple here. So let y is equal to u be the solution. Therefore, y is equal to u be the solution. Then this solution satisfies this equation. So this is d2u by, put y is equal to u here, d2u by dx square plus p du by dx plus qu is equal to 0. So this is equation number 2. Equation number 2 here. This is a 2 and this is equation number 3 here. Okay, 3. So this is one part of the complete solution, y is equal to u. One part of the complete solution of this differential equation. But what is the complete solution? Let y is equal to uv, where v is a function of x. So y is equal to uv. U is a known solution. So already known that what is u, but you have to determine v here and put a value of u and v, we get the complete solution of this differential equation. So here v is the function of x, be the solution, complete solution of 1. Therefore, what is the differentiate this with respect to x? So what is this? So this is a dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, so this is a dy by dx. Okay, differentiate y is equal to u with respect to x. Again we differentiate this. So what happen here? So d2y by dx square is equal to derivative u as it is. What is the derivative of dv by dx? d2v by dx square plus derivative of u du by dx, dv by dx as it is. Okay, plus, okay, derivative of this, derivative of v du by dx as it is into derivative of v dv by dx plus v as it is by product rule. So d2u by dx square. Okay, so putting these in equation, putting this value in equation 1. So put d2y by dx square here, this value here, and dy by dx this value here. Okay, so equation 1 becomes we have. What happened here? So putting this up, so this is d2y by dx square is this. So that is u d2v by dx square plus, so this and this 2 times du by dx into dv by dx plus v d2u by dx square plus p. What is the dy by dx? dy by dx is this, u dv by dx plus v du by dx plus q. What is y? Y is equal to uv. uv is equal to r. Okay, uv is equal to r. So we, after simplification, we write this equation in the form here. So what is this? U dv by u d2v by dx square plus what happened? So coefficient of dv by dx is what? Coefficient of dv by dx is what? So dv by dx, coefficient of dv by dx, p into u, pu, plus du by dx, coefficient of du by dx is what here? 2u, 2 dv by dx, u is at u plus u, what happened here? dv by dx, du by dx. Okay, so what are the remaining terms here? Remaining terms here. So what happened here? So d2u by dx square d2u by dx square plus p du by dx plus qi into v is equal to r. Okay, so this is what this term we taken here. So then this is pu into something, then this and coefficient of v is this is equal to r. So simply this equation can be taken in this form here. So this is very simple. Okay, so from equation, so this is what happened here. 3 from equation 3. So this equation becomes what happened? So this equation becomes here. So put d2u by dx square plus p du by dx plus qy is equal to. So from 3, this is 0. So this is 0. So this equation becomes u d2v by dx square plus pu 2 du by dx into dv by dx, and this is a 0. This is a 0 is equal to r. Okay. Okay. Dividing by u throughout. So we get dividing by u. So we get this. So that is 2 upon u. So that is r upon u. Simply. So this is a differential equation. So this is equation something 4 here. So what happened? We put now again dv by dx is equal to q. dv by dx is equal to q. So this is what? Again taking derivative of this with respect to x. So this is d2v by dx square is equal to dq by dx. dq by dx. So putting this value in this equation. So what happened? d2v by dx square is dq by dx plus, this is as it is, p plus 2 upon u du by dx So what is the dv by dx? dv by dx is q. So r upon u as it is here. So what is this? This is a linear, first order linear differential equation of the form. This is first order linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Okay. So how to solve this first order linear differential equation? So what is the first order linear differential equation? You know that. So that's something dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay. Okay. First order linear differential equation. So to find the solution of the first order linear differential equation, before that we have to find here the integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of something p something p dash q dash. So p dash dy. So what happened here? E raised to, what is p dash? So this is what? P plus 2 upon u du by dx. So integration of du by dx into dx here. Okay. Okay. So after solving this, we get, this is very simple. So what happened here? So this is what? E raised to integration of p dx plus q into integration of 2 upon u dx get cancelled, so du. So what happened? E raised to integration of p dx. What is the integration of this? E raised to 2 log u. E raised to 2 log u. So this is equal to what happened? So e raised to, so this is equal to e raised to integration of p dx. So what is e raised to 2 log u? So this is e raised to log u square. E raised to log u square. So what happened here? So this is integrating factor is e raised to, so if is equal to e raised to integration of p dx into simply u square. E raised to log of u square is u square. So what is the solution of this differential equation? So you know the standard solution of the first order linear differential equation. So what is the solution? So that is q, dependent variable, into integrating factor. So integrating factor is what? E raised to integration of p dx u square is equal to what happened? Is equal to integrating factor, integration of p dx, integration of p dx, okay, u square as it is, into what? Q dash. Q dash is this, r upon u plus integrating constant something c1. Integrating constant c1. Okay, very simple one. So solve this equation here, this differential equation. Okay, so this is solve this differential equation. What is the differential equation? So what is q is equal, this can be written as q dividing by this throughout. So what happened here? E raised to integration of minus integration of p dx, dividing this to this and this, so that is upon u square. So that is integration of, this is as it is, e raised to integration of p dx u square, u get cancelled, so that is r plus c1. So dividing this term to this here, so that is what happened? E raised to minus integration of p dx divided by u square. But what is this? Q is what? Q is what? dv by dx. Q is what? Putting Q is equal to dv by dx here. So again taking integration of this. What is the integration? So integration of this is what? So that is dx. What happened here? So integration of, so that is integration taking the integration. So in taking integration of this. So this is dx plus something in constant C2 here. C2. Okay. So this is V. This is V. Okay. This is a very simple one. So what is the complete solution? Y is equal to uv is the complete solution of the differential equation. Y is equal to uv is the solution, complete solution of this differential equation. But u is already known. U is already known. So what happened here? So u is known solution. Our method is to finding the solution when one integral is known. So u is already known. So v is to be determined here. So put this value here. So this is the complete solution of the second order differential equation dy by dx square. Okay. So what is the method of solving that actually the differential equation? So and how to find the known solution of the differential equation? There are some rules to find the solution of the differential equations. So okay, so we know that 1 plus p plus q, if, so this is the first type here, 1 plus p plus q is equal to 0, then u is equal to e raised to x is known solution. Known solution. If 1 plus p plus q, you know what is p, what is q, and adding up this, we get 0, then u is equal to e raised to x is a known solution. So how do we get the known solution? We have to determine v only and put the values of u and v in y is equal to u, we get the complete solution. This is a very simple method, okay? So we take the example of this type, okay? So solution, take example. Solve x. So solve x dy by dx square minus 2x minus 1 dy by dx plus x minus 1 y is equal to 0 here. Okay. Solve this differential equation. Solution. Dividing by x throughout this equation, the given equation can be written as, okay, dividing by x. Dividing by x. So we get here, so what happened? So this is a dy by dx square minus dividing by x here, 2 minus 1 upon x dy by dx plus this can be written as dividing by x, that is 1, minus dividing by x, 1 upon x, y is equal to 0. So this is the differential equation. So how to solve this differential equation? We compare that equation with standard equation. So what is the standard equation? dy by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. So where p is equal to what? P is equal to what? Minus 2 minus 1 upon x. minus 2 minus 1 upon x. Then what is q? 1 minus 1 upon x. And what is r? Is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. Okay, this is a very simple differential equation. So how to solve that differential equation? Okay, so what is the next part here? So that is okay, we check the condition here. 1 plus p plus q. 1 plus p plus q is equal to 0. Then what is p? P is this. So this implies that. So that is minus 2 1 plus x. So just what happened? 1 p is what? Minus 2 plus 1 upon x. What is q? 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon x. So what happened here? So 2 get cancelled, this get cancelled, so this is 0. This is 0. So therefore, by using this rule, therefore u is equal to e raised to x is a known solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So then what is the next part? Therefore y is equal to uv. Y is equal to uv. So y is equal to uv is the complete solution of this differential equation. This is one part of this solution. So y is equal to uv is the complete solution of this differential equation. So put y is equal to uv in equation 1. In equation 1. So we get. So what happened here? So in theory, just we discuss how to solve the method of solving when one until is known. So by putting this, we get the equation. So we already know about that. So we write it directly. So what is the differential equation? This equation becomes here. d2y v by dx square plus p plus 2 upon u du by dx v is equal to r upon u. So after putting this in this equation, we get this standard equation. So we discuss about that. So what happened? So therefore d2v by dx square plus, so what is p? P is what here? P is this. Minus 2 plus 1 upon x. Plus what? 2. What is u? U is e raised to x. Okay? And what is du by dx? So derivative of this, du by dx. So derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x into v. And what is r? R is 0. So this is 0. So d2v by dx square. So what happened here? So this is plus. So e raised to x get cancelled. So 2 get cancelled. So we get here 1 upon x dv by dx. Okay, no, just 1 upon x dv by dx. Just sorry, dv by dx here. dv by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so by using same method, so put dv by dx is equal to q. So put dv by dx is equal to q. Taking derivative of this, d2v by dx square is equal to dq by dx. Taking derivative of this with respect to both sides. So putting this in this equation, we get what happened? dq by dx plus 1 upon x dv by dx is equal to q. So this is a very simple one. So then what happened here? 1 upon x into q. So by variable separable type, so this can be written as dq by q. So dx is here plus dx upon x is equal to 0. Okay, simply. So then what happened? So that is dq upon q is equal to minus dx upon x. So this is first order first degree differential equation. Then separate the variables and we write this equation. So this is very simple to take integration because the variables are separated here. So on integration we get so this is log q is equal to, what is this, minus log x plus integrating constant something log c1. So what happened? So this is log q is equal to minus log of c1 upon something x. So what is q? Minus c1 upon x. Okay, c1 upon x. So this is a differential equation. So what is this? Q is what? dv by dx. Q is equal to dv by dx. So that is dv by dv is equal to minus c1 upon x into dx. So again we take integration. So what is integration? On integration, so v is equal to integration of this is v. So minus c1. What is the integration of 1 upon x? 1 upon x. So this is log x. Because the derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So integration of 1 upon x is log x. Plus another integrating constant c2. Because this is a second order differential equation. So in this in the solution of that differential equation there are two arbitrary constants, that is c1 and c2. So the complete solution is y is equal to uv. Same method follow here only. Okay, what is u? U is equal to e raised to x. And what is v? V is this, minus c1 log x plus c2.